Patty People Television, today reporting to you from a company called AW Business Services. And we are here to talk to you about starting a business in Thailand. I'm sure that a lot of foreigners who would like to start a business in Thailand, they have questions, they have anxieties. Do they do it in the right way? Do they talk to the right people? We know this company for a long time. Patty People is actually dealing with this company. So we know their track record, and we know that they know what to do. I'm here with Kun Pat, the owner of the company. And Kun Pat, she have organized 13 easy steps how to start a business in Thailand. So Kun Pat, how can you get 13 steps and then tell the whole story?
Because I'm lazy. Why? Because I have lots of questions, chats through email, Facebook, lines. People want to know this. And the easiest way for me is that to make a documentation, to make a really good content, the most valuable content, and I just send them via email.
So, ladies and gentlemen, now I will let Kun Pat explain to you the 13 easy steps to start a business in Thailand.
The 13 easy steps how to start a business in Thailand. Step 1, pick a type of business. It's very important for you to understand that the type of the business that you would like to run in Thailand, there are some special licenses. Like if you want to have a hotel, you need a hotel license. And you can find all the details in our first steps. Step 2, check your special rights. Thai government would like to help you, and you somehow can get a special rights to run your business in Thailand. Step 3, talk to BOI, Thailand Board of Investment. They would like to help you with your investment, both of tax and non-tax privilege. Step 4, choose your company premises. It's very important right now for you to understand that you can't just work online anywhere and then ask for a work permit. You need an actual office or a workplace to prepare for the surprise visits. And step 5, understand how company setup works. Somehow you will need Thai partners. So it's very important for you to understand how Thai company setups work in Thailand. Step 6, understand social security insurance. The laws say that if you would like to have a business in Thailand, you must have Thai staff. And Thai staff, you must have social security insurance for them. Every one of them, no exceptions. Step 7, apply for a suitable long-term visa. There are non-immigrant or visa, either marriage or Thai child support, which you can use to apply for a work permit. Or a very special one is non-immigrant B visa. How these visas work, you will know in step 7. Step 8, apply for a work permit. Working in Thailand, you need a work permit. Step 9, understand how Thai taxes work. You are going to run a business. You are going to have an income. You have to pay tax. So those taxes are very important for you to understand them all. Step 10, hire an experienced accountant like us because we can help you to save money on taxes. Step 11, understand the potential fines. Every month you have taxes. Every year you have taxes as well, and you make sure that you submitted all of the documents related to the taxes. Otherwise, you will have to pay fines. And step 12, know some Thai basic labor laws. It's very important for you that when you have Thai people working for you, you must know Thai basic labor laws, then you can manage them. And the last step is a very important step. You must know Thai language. Work with Thai people, you speak their language. Work with Thai people, you know their culture.
And Kun Pat, finally, I would like to ask you how to contact with AView Business Services.
Very easy. We are located in Soi Siam Country Club, Soi 16. And you can find us online as well, www.awbiz.com.
And how to find the office? You can Google it and how way?
Yes. From our Facebook page, we also have a map there. Our Facebook page called AW Business Services. And you just Google AW Business Services. It will come up in Google Map.
And I'd like you to make an invitation to everyone to come and get free advice here.
Yes, our advice are 100% free because I want you to be rich.